Electrify America is a national program where students at both the high school and collegiate levels work as a team to design, build, test, and race fully functioning electric vehicles. They work together as a team not only to learn STEM principles, but also teamworking skills like collaboration, real-time problem solving, and innovation. It's incredibly important for FPL to get involved in Electrathon because we really see it as an investment in the next generation. We tried to be incredibly thorough in preparing all of the materials that a school would need to build out a full Electrathon car. 3, 2, 1, go!
Obviously the frame of the car, we have our motor as well as the controller for it, all the stuff to build the wheels, safety equipment like our harnesses in there, a lot of wiring, all the sensors we need.
This is going to be an amazing opportunity. I'm very happy FPL came out here to help us out and give us these kits, and I can't wait to jump in.
It's a good experience in terms of learning mechanics. You can learn different aspects like possibly welding new parts, possibly having to make new parts as well, making alterations to the kit that we already have.
It's really cool because a lot of kids don't get this opportunity, and so having the opportunity to do it, it's just a unique experience that a lot of people won't get, and I kind of wish they would. It's something more people should be able to do.
Up until now, I really have not had an electrical vehicle program in my automotive program, and that I can combine with the engineering electrical classes at my school. I think that's going to be a great kicking off point for that.
It's about giving them an opportunity for hands-on innovation and learning so that they can consider not only potential higher education or career pathways in STEM and at companies like FPL, but they're also the next generation of electric vehicle drivers and advocates that we really want to empower.